students. My name is Mr. John Dung. I will be teaching JS1 Basic Technology, and the topic is measuring equipment. Measuring equipment, that is what we'll be discussing today. And by definition, measuring equipment are devices which are principally used for taking dimensions. I repeat, measuring equipment are devices which are principally used for taking dimensions and also squaring of lines or edges of materials. And for you to obtain the required length of a material given to you, you must use what we call measuring equipment. It could be that you want to cut a material in a given angle. Using your eyes alone is not enough, but you must use the measuring devices to take the dimension and cut it exactly the way it is required from you to do so. And that is why measuring instrument is very, very important. And we discuss them, you see their types and how to use them. And we have types of measuring instruments. 1, we have measuring tape. 2, we have tri-square. And 3, we have ruler. And then the next one is T-square. And also we have compass or pair of compass. And then we have protractor. We have sliding bevel. We have sliding bevel. These are the few measuring instruments that you can use to take different dimensions, being it linear. Now, I've mentioned the types of measuring instruments. I mentioned measuring tape. Usually the tape, the body mostly is made of plastic or rubber. And then it has a narrow measuring point on it, which is made of metal. And I have the measuring tape here. This is what we call the measuring tape. Very, very important, you can see. They are in different sizes. And this is where you can control the speed. You can put the stuff if you want to draw it, and then you can see. This is the point you can control. And then this, where the reading point is being placed, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it depends with the conversion. These points are millimeters, and then these points are inches. Now, for example, this is 1, and this is 1 cm, and then this 1 cm has 10 millimeters, and then from 1 to 2, you can see there are small reading in between. And then from 1 to 2 is also 10. From 2 to 3 is also 10. From 3 to 4 is also 10. And then from 4 to 5, 10. 5 to 6, 10. 7 to 8, 10. 8 to 9, 10. Then 9 to 10 is also 10. So, and then 10 here is identified using red color. It means from 0 to 10. If you add it, sum it now, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Here now we give you 100 millimeters. From 0 to this red point, we give you 100 millimeters. And then from this red to this red, from the starting point, we give you 200 millimeters. That is 20 cm. Each of these is cm. 3 cm, 4 cm. And then this is 20 cm. And then the other ones are inches. These are inches. higher reading. This is what we call a measuring tape. And if you want to take dimension, you want to cut this wooden piece around 200 millimeters. Around 200 millimeters. Remember, I told you this is 100 millimeters, 200 millimeters. You measure it and put a point where you want to cut that wood exactly using pencil. Identifying the point, put it there, and then after using the pencil to identify it, you can now use one of the measuring instruments known as tri-square at that point. If this is the point, and then you use the tri-square to draw line at the edge of it, you can see, and through this line you can now cut your wood using saw. That is the measuring tape. And then second, I told you we have tri-square. This is a tri-square, similar to the measuring tape but different information. Now, the tri-square has the blade. This is the blade, and then this is the stock, and it has angle. This angle is at 90. This is the angle at 90. Now, it is used for measuring as well. You can see it also has reading point to which you can take your reading, just like the measuring tape. Now, it is used for squaring edges of wood and also drawing of lines after identification of point using, and then you can now use the tri-square to draw line. Now, I mentioned squaring of edges. Look at it. To square edges of wood, you can see, and there is no space in between the edges. Now, I also say it is used for taking dimension. You can place it here and take your dimension where you want it after identifying your point, and then you can now use it, put it this way, and then draw the line. And for checking the flatness surfaces of wood, you can place it this way. You can see this is how you put it. If you look at the wood, there is no space, and if you identify space, then you need to smooth it again with your jack plane. You can see the function of the tri-square. Next we have protractor. This is a protractor which is used for drawing angles or curves on material. This is a wooden material and I want to draw a curve. Now, you can follow it carefully and draw it. You can see. With this, you can see the curve now. You can now use your saw, that is the bowl saw, to follow it carefully and cut. Or you want to cut at an angle, you can still do that. That is the protractor. And then we have a ruler. This is a ruler also used, and it is made from plastic. It is made of plastic, and you can see you can also use it to take your dimensions as well. And then we have what we call the scale rule. Scale rule is different from a ruler. The scale rule has 3 edges. The difference between this and this, everything has already been scaled. You just need to take the dimension the way you want it. And then the next one we have T-square. This is a T-square. The T-square has a blade and then the stock. You can also use it to draw linear lines and also obtain lines at an angle of 90 degrees. That is the the T square. And then we have compass, which I don't have it here now, but the compass has two legs, two pointed legs, which is used for drawing circles on material. That is a compass. If you check your muscle, you will see the compass is inside there, and it is used for drawing circles. And then we also have divider. Divider. The difference between divider and the compass is the compass, there is a place that pencil will be inserted, but the compass has a place where pencil will be inserted, but divider has two sharp points where, and it is used for transferring of dimension. It is used for transferring of dimension. And remember, I told you initially what measuring instruments are all about, and also the types and then the uses, and also how to use them. I've already demonstrated that to you, and I believe you can practice this at home on and on. With this, we have come to the end of our lesson.